Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this.
Hey guys, welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon and I share our family's debt-free journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt and also some budgeting, frugal living tips, and organizing. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. We're in the home stretch of our debt-free journey. We're almost done with our student loans. We should be finishing up our student loans just right about summer, and then we have some business debt to tackle. And although at first we were pushing and hoping that we were gonna be done with our debt and able to move by the summer to our first home purchase, with the way the market is and everything's just crazy, we decided it's probably best to wait another year until next summer. So even though we're so close, it's very easy for the motivation to kind of wane. Like, I just want to be done. I want to buy our house and move and, like, you know, just kind of get started with all of our other financial goals. So in order to kind of like remotivate myself, I'm going through different areas of our house and trying to organize it, make it more functional, refresh it for spring, just kind of like give our home a little mini facelift. And I'm sharing some small space organizing hacks as I go along with you guys. Of course, I'm still sharing budgeting videos and debt-free journey updates, and in fact, next week I'll be doing a March budget with me and debt-free journey update. So why should you care about organizing your fridge? Well, it actually can save you money. Being more organized in your pantry and in your fridge can help you to see everything that you have so that you're using up everything you have. You're not buying duplicates and extras. Your produce is less likely to go bad when you can see it and know exactly where it is in your fridge. And it also saves you time when you're meal planning. You can open the fridge, see what you have real quick right before you go grocery shopping. You can just do a quick look over and you're not spending hours digging through your fridge, digging through your pantry, getting frustrated and giving up. And we all know that meal planning is a really great way to save money on groceries because you have a plan, you're not overbuying or underbuying, you're buying exactly what you need for the meals that you've planned for the week. And that also helps if you have a small space. Obviously, like stockpiling canned foods and things that are on sale is also a great way to save money, but we don't have the space to do that. So we really rely on buying exactly what we need for the week so that we have space to keep everything, and we also save money on our groceries. So without further ado, let's jump in. I'm gonna show you guys how I organized and cleaned out my fridge and freezer, and I'm hoping this will inspire you to get motivated to clean your fridge and freezer too, because when we're organized and we're planning, we're saving money, and that is what this channel is all about.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me?
So of course it wouldn't be an organizing video if we didn't start with a before. As you can see, it is pretty much time to go grocery shopping because our fridge is pretty empty, so it's the perfect time to take everything out and give it a really good scrub down. This fridge came in the house, so we're renting, and so this is the fridge that was here. It already wasn't in like the greatest condition whenever we moved in.
Where to find them, standing right here.
You can see there's literally paint on the inside of my fridge. Like, my kids do the weirdest things. They're always trying to like do science experiments and put things in the freezer to see if it freezes. I don't know, it's so funny.
When you're with her, I can see.
These are the clear organizers that I got on Amazon, and I will link them below. They were really affordable for an 8-pack. And then these are all the containers that I showed you guys in the Big Lots organizing haul that I did last week.
We could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I'm
So I'm obviously just washing and drying all of the removable attachments that go inside the refrigerator, and I'm just using dish soap. Let me know if you guys have any amazing fridge cleaning hacks or products in the comments below.
Till the morning, would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning.
We've lived here for 3 years, and I promise I've cleaned this fridge before. I just haven't done a deep clean in a while, but I just realized that these shelves pull out, which obviously makes it a lot easier to get things at the back of the fridge.
But just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my fields, spend too much time thinking. In the end, you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Time I took a little time out. Demons really catching up. I mean, what if there's no meaning? No, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got today. Trust me that right now is all that matters. No, nothing lasts forever. Is this just a winter stage? Time so bitch. Not getting over it. Try to succeed with the stuff I do, melodies and rhythm, like paying the bills with them. Get emotional, leave her and all, want to make a mark with them, so I'll not be forgotten. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Damn, I took a little time out. Demons really catching up. I mean, what if there's no meaning? No, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got today. Trust me that right now is all that matters. No, nothing lasts forever. Is this just a winter stage? I'm so bitch. Not getting over it. Trust me that right now is all that matters. No, nothing lasts forever. Is this just a winter stage? I'm so bitch.
We buy the 60 pack of eggs because we eat so many eggs, hard-boiled, scrambled, egg sandwiches, and by me, I mean me and my husband. My kids like refuse to touch eggs still at this point, but I'm hoping that soon they'll start eating them because it's obviously a really frugal way to make a lot of different meals. So before we start on the freezer, here is an after shot of the refrigerator, all nice and organized. And of course I need to go grocery shopping, but I actually was excited to go grocery shopping just so I could put all my groceries away in my nice organized fridge. I also spared you the actual cleaning part of the freezer, but this is what it looks like before I put everything back in and all my organizing bins. So the freezer is definitely our biggest pain point because we have a lot of frozen stuff but not much space. I'm hoping having some different containers will keep everything nice and organized so we can find everything when we need it. Here's our ice packs for all of our sports injuries, and our ice maker unfortunately does not work, which stinks because we have to put ice cube trays and like a bin for ice on that shelf, which it's valuable storage space, so I wish our ice maker worked. I am really happy with this organizing project. I've been wanting to organize the fridge and freezer for like a million years. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I made for my husband this week, quick like meal prep thing. Meatballs are something that are really easy to make a lot of, and obviously a super filling, high protein lunch. And so my husband will eat this with a sweet potato. Unfortunately, the sweet potatoes did not fit in these little bins, which I was super sad about because I thought it was gonna be perfect. But yeah, so he'll take that to work with him all week. He eats a bunch of different smaller meals, but this is like his main lunch. These are the lunch containers that I got from Big Lots. They were super cheap, 10 containers for $6. However, they are already like seeming kind of flimsy and they chipped a little bit on some of them. So hopefully they'll hold up for a little longer. I hope this video really motivates you to declutter and clean out your own fridge and freezer so you can be more efficient at meal prep and planning and save more money on your groceries. So thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.